All right, then we're talking about storage. Your safe storage of SLA batteries. The recommended safe storage, you need to store them at room temperature. Okay, guys, you need to know that we are not talking about our storage of these things. Remember that we don't deal with these batteries. We just use them. The manufacturer is the one that has to go through this process. Okay, how to build the thing, where to store the thing, how to charge the thing, how to get rid of the thing at the end. Okay, our job simply is just to use it and take it to the right people when we're done with the battery. Okay, but if you are a manufacturer, if anyone for some reason is interested in going into batteries after this, because you hate your life, okay, you're going to go ahead and learn about this stuff. You're going to store them at room temperature. You store them at 50% humidity level. That literally means that you have to build a storage unit, a storage space, where you have dehumidifiers set at specific levels. You have temperatures set at specific levels, okay? But yes, room temperature, 50% humidity level, 75% SOC stands for state of charge. Okay, SOC, state of charge. Basically, your state of charge is it's the storage charge. Okay, so you want to, if you're going to store these batteries, you want them to be charged up until they have 75%. Okay, that is state of charge. Right. Cool, man. And then you must also store them for not longer than 3 to 4 years. I'm like, my goodness, okay? Like, we use batteries on a monthly basis. Now they're saying 3 to 4 years. I don't think you're ever going to worry about having to charge it for 3 to 4 years, okay? But you can if you really wanted to. And then, of course, if you're going to use them and then take them out and store them again, then of course you're going to have to remove them from equipment. For example, if you're going away for 2 months and you've got an SLA battery in your car, the appropriate and correct thing to do is to actually, believe it or not, deinstall it from your car, go and put it in a storage container like this for the 2 months at 75% state of charge, which somehow you got to manage to do that, and then take it and put it back in your car, okay? Or you could just come and get somebody to come and start your car every couple weeks. It's as easy as that, okay? Cool.